Skimming and scanning, the most imperative part of the reading comprehension skill. Many of us are meant to read a passage and to comprehend it, but how many of us actually know its actual purpose, that is skimming and scanning? Well, welcome to the BSSS e-content recording platform. My name is Piyush Pradhan and I'm from the Bhopal School of Social Sciences English Department. Let us just commence with some of the reading techniques as skimming and scanning. Indeed, it involves, in the later stages, analysis and the final conclusion. But currently, I've come up with my audience to teach you skimming and scanning. Now, what is the essentiality of using skimming and scanning techniques in communication skills? Now, as my audience can find that both these elements helps to enhance the comprehension automatically, followed by the main idea. Now, main idea allows reader to quickly grasp up the words and structures systematically and in a more choreographed format. Plus, both skimming and scanning of the reading comprehension helps to locate the reader the specific information hidden in that passage. Let's see how it is taken up. Now, what is skimming of text? It is not just through this definition on this slide, but even in the next slide, I'm going to explain you the text through a pictorial depiction or a graphical representation. Now, skimming is a type of that perfect reading technique that enables a reader to grasp up the general idea, and that is through extracting information not completely from the text, but from the surface level of the main text. Please concentrate on this feature, the surface level of the main text, so that the reader can comprehend the available gist of the overall content. It contributes to the quick movement of your eye to read the content, which is, as I said, at the surface level. And that helps the reader to try identify the key concepts. Now, the sheer purpose of skimming is to develop a technique that further becomes enormously useful in order to have the other people purview that your content was a rightful content without much mistakes. It assists the reader to decide which text to read in detail first and then avoid all other stuff, which actually done later in the stage when the scanning part is taken by. Now, please look at the method to skim a test. In point number A, we're going to read the introduction phase and its conclusion as well, very essentially. The second method is to try to focus over subject heading, subheadings, or any other bold structure which you feel like to feature by highlighting it uniquely. Maybe you can do it by drawing out some absolute attention at that particular point or place. So that is one of the way or method to do it. And lastly, we can trace out the key structures at the initial stage. That is also one of the perfect method to skim a text. So when we look at the key structures of the initial stage of the topic, we are also looking at the ending paragraphs that tends to often help in summarizing the main idea. So I hope all my audience understood through this slide how there are different forms of methods used to skimming up a text. Now, this is a slide and a picture depiction of the example I was talking about a couple of minutes ago. In this, you are looking at the full glass of milk. Now, we are looking at this full glass of milk considering three elements or characteristics of this milk. First is the color of the milk, the shape of it, and the amount of liquid inside this glass of milk. So these three things can be compared as color with title, shape with the first paragraph, and the amount of liquid inside the glass with the concluding part. So title, first paragraph, and conclusion. Now, why are we learning this particular overall skimming of the text through this picture is because it's going to help someone to read quickly, looking at the titles and headlines, and to even notice the bold words or the key information, which you can italicize or you can highlight it with a pen. Secondly, to achieve the main idea, that is to find the main points and catch the overall theme. Lastly, you need not to read the entire content. That means we are not supposed to primarily focus on the complete milk which is filled inside the glass. We are only going to look at the cream of that glass of milk which is available at the surface level. So skip the entire details or brief details, just look at the surface level importance of the text. Now, we have reached to what is scanning of text. Scanning itself is a word which is very powerful, where we know that it helps us to specifically help to locate information which is hidden in the complete text available. It's a kind of a technique that is developed by the reader to trace information, but very minutely. Now this time, no surface level understanding, but deep down, brief understanding of the text. Now this text can be in a form of somebody's name, it could be codes, it could be differentiations between multitude of things, it could be dates, or perhaps few particular facts about a subject. So the true purpose of scanning should be to take in the text very effectively, and you have to take it so effectively because you don't have to miss the vital clue that that text is going to provide you with that specific information, because nothing should be left over. Each and every aspect of that complete comprehension passage need to be scanned by your brain very perfectly, so that the entire text can later be used for the final drafting purpose as a future course of action. Now, even for the scanning of the text, I have used a method plus picture depiction. Let's concentrate on the methods to scan up a text, and that too very generously. Point A, utilize the rapid movements of your eyes, but searching out only the dynamic keywords and not the static one. You have to even concentrate on the clues or phrases that relates and further connects exactly within the text. So please go very hassle-free. Do not be hesitant or have any sort of immediate text confusion. Section B, try use a pen or a finger technique if it assists as a medium of tool to enhance your focal point. In 9 out of 10 cases, I've found people in our society who uses these kind of tools or equipments so that it could generate the perfect example of the text in their brains. Now in point number C, do not rush over the text, just like you did it previously during skimming. Try to have absolute patience and perseverance, because these two are the key to provide stability and to provide steadiness to your text. Look at this beautiful picture in this slide where scanning of the text is explained once again through 3 different glassful of milk this time. Now, in the first glass of milk, you find the main ingredient, because we know milk gives us calcium. So calcium will be, as per the reading comprehension text, must consist of 2 elements. The first will be to find out the keywords that is filled in all over the passage, and then to skim the rest of the stuff. So that is why your entire reading comprehension content is like an overall calcium of the milk. Now, it depends upon what type of text you are utilizing. in one aspect, we have just a normal text, but on the other, it could have more calciums and vitamins. That means more varieties and diversities of important things which that passage offers us. So in this third class in the corner, I have included calcium and vitamin D together. So now you can differentiate among all these three classes how there is a differences of the text considered by someone so that the reader's emotions can be fulfilled or satisfied. Now, both of these texts provide a sudden paybacks to us, and how it is achieved, let's have a look. Skimming and scanning can go hand in glove with each other. That saves the most precious amount of time one wants to have due to providing relevance to the text and further serving a detailed preview of your material. So I have, as you can see, underlined these two chief features: relevance to the text and preview of the existing material. Now for both skimming and scanning, it is the amount of purpose, the types, and finally the time that counts the most when you handle up the text, but in a very subtle way. Remember, all these two elements are very particular, but at the same time work very peculiarly for all those people who want to take up the text as a whole text. So after all, for both skimming and scanning, we know that such elements enable learner to extract the exact value out of the given comprehension instantly, efficiently, and of course, with the connected common sense. So please develop some common sense to understand skimming and scanning. Now for the college students who learn to master these skills are able to manage heavy reading everyday load which is offered to them by the subject teachers in the class. But with the clarity of these kind of texts, they can actively participate and they can be very academically sound to develop the habit of discussions without any form of hesitation. It can be in a form of debates, group discussions, role plays, etc. So, my beloved audience, we are aware of this worldly phrase as manners maketh man. Hence, regular practice turns out to handle text very intelligently for one, and also teaches one to become a strategic reader who chooses the right technique applied for right amount of available purposes. Now, for my audience, I have come up with certain activities. In this part of the first slide, we are going to look at some interactive activities. They are also skill integrated and they are culturally grounded also. So the first activity is the cultural snapshot. Let's have a deep down focus on the first activity. It talks about how to follow the titles displayed on the board, such as the topic yoga and meditation, maybe joint family system, festival of Diwali, or Indian classical dance. And now we are trying to answer the questions that are appended as which topic would be interested to read first and why for the reader. Second, how on earth do you trace out information so quickly about the dates which concerns a peculiar choice of your interest? So I hope you understood the gist out of the first activity number 1. In activity number 2, I'm going to take up the chief feature of skimming up the text, but only to gain the gist. Now there's a teacher that provides a passage of around 250 maximum words, and a student has to skim it for 1 minute. Now how on earth is that student going to achieve that? He has to choose up the very fair and correct main idea of the text. So the teacher's question can be, out of the 5 to 7 topic options, why have you chosen this option only? So there are always this kind of research questions which can rise up out of any smart and brief reading comprehension passage. And that can be asked by any expert, be it a teacher, researcher, any resource person, etc. And a student must feel at ease and absolute comfort to answer every question asked about skimming and scanning part of the text. Now, in last activity number 3, we are looking at the element of scanning the text for facts. Let's say to skim a headline. Teacher chooses the theme. The theme is already there in front of you. And secondly, the student tend to find the month of celebration, religious significance, ritual association, or maybe one of the more significant value associated with that topic shared at the top. So the question arises, is the student able to skim and scan short blurbs and at the same time could match each handling to its correct passage or the paragraph or not? So that's what is most important. Now, especially for college and school students, I prepared skimming and scanning internal practice tasks. The first task talk about how to read quickly and choose the best title. Let's say, for instance, I've taken the passage of the joint family system in India. These are the 4 features to it. In the second, group-based performance task. Again, I've added something as a practice task, so you can minutely pay attention and pay your undivided attention to the details of how these tasks can be practiced in your leisure. Thank you so much, my beloved audience. I hope you have loved this topic of skimming and scanning. I'll come up with such interesting topics in the immediate future as well. Until then, goodbye to you and Godspeed. Thanks a million.